All right, that was just my Jimmy Dean maple sausage in my large muffin tin. Next, I'm bringing in my hard-boiled eggs, and we're gonna put 1 egg in each of our little sausage holes, just like so. Perfect. Next, I'm gonna come in with my cheddar cheese, and we're gonna shred some cheese right on top of those eggs, just like so. It's okay if it's a little messy, we can clean up as we go. We just wanna make sure we get a good amount of cheddar cheese. Now I'm using cheddar, but you can use whatever cheese you like for your breakfast. This is such an easy and delicious breakfast that everyone will love. You got your sausage, you got your eggs, your cheese, so much protein, such a great way to start your day. So let's make sure we get a good amount of this cheese in there. All right, now that we have our cheese in there, we're gonna add some more protein. I have some fully cooked bacon that we're just gonna crumble right on top of each of our eggs. I cooked out about 6 small pieces of bacon, but I might not even use all of that. You can use as much or as little as you like. You could also just buy the pre-made bacon bits if that's what you prefer. It is totally customizable to your liking. We just had to make sure we got that bacon nice and crispy so that it would just crumble right on top of our hard-boiled egg, our cheese, and our sausage. Ooh, this is already smelling so good. I love bacon, I love cheese, and I love this breakfast. I saw this on the internet and I just had to try it for myself because it looked incredible. So we're almost done here. I used 4 pieces of bacon total, but like I said, you can use more or less if you prefer. All right, beautiful. All right, and I still had that other tube of sausage, so I'm just gonna go ahead and make a flat patty out of our sausage, and we're gonna encase that hard-boiled egg in our sausage just like so. This is gonna be so delicious. We just gotta get all of that protein packed in there. This is great for meal prepping. This is great for, a Sunday brunch. I think my family will love this because it has all of their favorite things. And I did use the maple sausage, but you can use the regular, the hot, the sage, but I think maple is the best. So let's go ahead and get all of these eggs nicely covered. All right, now I'm gonna bring in my 100% pure maple syrup, and we're gonna do a nice little drizzle on each one. This will give us a caramelization, a little glaze on our maple sausage that will just taste so yummy. This is obviously optional. If you don't want the sugar, you can skip it. I'm gonna grab my little brush to make sure that it gets over on top of the entire sausage. Yummy. All right, and these are just about ready to go in the oven. They came together super quick. You could even make little mini ones if you wanted to with a full-size muffin tin, but I think these are gonna be absolutely delicious. My oven is set to 350, and this is gonna be in there for about 45 minutes. All right, these are ready. Let's go ahead, and I have a little rubber spatula spoon, so we can just spoon out our little sausage egg bombs, just like so. Start with these 3. And then I'm going to top them with a little bit of parsley. This is optional. I just think that it adds a great color and a little bit of flavor in there. All right, time to dig in. Oh, look at that. Perfectly cooked. Oh my goodness. Look at these little egg sausage bombs. I'm so excited to give them a try. Egg, a little bit of that bacon, sausage. That looks so good.
Is it good?
The maple, wow, that is so good, you guys.